How important is home security for you? At MUIN, we take it very seriously. Protect your home and keep intruders out, quickly, easily, and reliably with the Deadbolt Guard. Remember, with MUIN, it only takes 3 simple steps to protect your home. Step 1, lock the deadbolt. Step 2, flip the deadbolt guard. Step 3, rotate the knob on the deadbolt guard to lock the flip. Easy to install and it's unbreakable. It's made of aluminum alloy and fixed securely in place with 2 wood screws. It holds the deadbolt in the locked position regardless if someone is trying to pick the lock. This is the level of security that matters for your peace of mind. Rest well knowing that your locked door will stay locked with MUIN.